Welcome to the part 3. So we will add the columns, that is the pillars, to our plan. So I have created a layer for this. So this is my layer of column for this. Click on OK and select. So we have select our column. So if we go here, so if we click here and click on D, enter 9 inches by 12 inches. So here see, we can place this our column. So now I will copy this column. So I will take this and I will place over. So wherever I want the column, so I will keep here. So here and again here. So here I have placed. So again. So we will change the, you can see the color change when you are placing correctly on line. So here and it. At this part and it this part. Here and here also. So now we will rotate some of our columns. For that, go to rotate, select this object, select this one, fade, select this. Now click on move, select this option, select this to over this center point. So here I am going to rotate this one also. So rotate like this. So I'm going to move this object over here. So this is placed correctly and this is also placed. So now we will save this and we will trim whichever is not required for our part. So we are done with this. We are done with the columns. Now we will place the labels over here for our bedrooms and kitchens. Everything we will place here. So first of all, before we will add some tiles here. Now we will add design. Go to design center where we can find the models. When we go to AutoCAD, so we have so many number of center. So here we have the home space planner. Go to home, click on block, double click. So here we have different types of labels. So for that I'm gonna place this tab over this side. So now we will place this. So this is simple. So you have to just drag it by selecting that and place over there. So again I am selecting here and dragging here. So again we're gonna place some chair over here and I'm gonna take this computer terminal. So we have a desk and this is the dining. We can place over here. So we have sofa over here. So we'll place it over here, this one, and we'll take sofa around over here. So after that, we will go to some house designers. That is the bathtub and sinks and toilets. So we'll place this toilet over here. and here. So we can move it. So after that we'll go to the kitchen blocks. So we're gonna keep this towel over here near the window, and the double sink over here, and the refrigerator over here. So we are done with all these parts. So these are some hydraulics. So it doesn't require this one. So you can go to landscape. So here we can place our tree. We'll move that afterwards. So we have different types of shapes over here. So we can go to dynamic blocks. So for this we have for the civil. So it is first like the architecture and everything. So we have drainage also. So the drainage blocks, erosion control, site unit plan layout. So in design center everything will be, these are the unlock circuits. So we have the plants, and these are some pipe fittings. We have this everything. So here we can design them. So now we will rotate our structures. So now go to AERO, enter. I'm going to rotate this one, select this object from this center. So I'm rotating like this. So click on enter, so the command will repeat again. Selecting like this. So it has changed the orientation. So now we'll change the orientation of the sofa. Select the sofa, click on center. Again enter, select the sofa, enter. Select like this. Follow. Now we can move the object, so this is inside the wall. So we'll move this object too. So this is the refrigerator and this is the dining table. So we'll change this orientation. So we'll place another sink over here. Go to design center. So here we have kitchen block. Go to a single sink. Place over here. Close this design center. Now we will rotate this one. Rotate this part. and load this. So we have to save our model. So now we will move our tree here. So you can see the different blocks. So this is the chair and this is the computer cabinet. This is the toilet and we will place some a bathtub. So go to design center. So go to house. So you can keep all these tabs. So we have a bathtub over here. So I'm just showing you. So this may not be fit for this, or it may not be suitable for the size, but I'm showing you how to place it. So and after that, so we have this in the top, the bathrooms. So we'll move this. So move this one to over here. So you can see for the tabs. So and we have the homes. We have desk. We'll keep a desk over here. So here outside we'll keep the bike for that size. So we'll place this one here. So these are some fasteners, so that is for the mechanical and everything. So we have the exhaust biking, and this is a tree pot. So this how we can keep all the blocks from our design center. So whichever we need block, we can have that. We don't need to draw anything in the AutoCAD. So we are placed with the block so that it will be easy for us to draw the plan, and we can draw the plan easily. So thank you guys. So now in the next part we will be seeing how to labeling all this and according to dimensions, and we will place all the tiles over here, and we will design and we will give all the dimensions and output. So see you in the next video.